drives too slow. Yeah, like he did on the bypass today. He actually kicked it in high gear for once. Now I heard him say he don't ever floor the bus, and I believe it too. He drives slow enough he ain't got to worry about it. But he is a good man though, I gotta say that. Now I gotta be honest, I loved Miss Shirley. She was my bus driver and everything, but she was a little hard. I don't know why, but she was a little hard. I guess it was just her nature, the way to drive the bus like that. Now it's cross your fingers, ain't it?
Yeah, going downhill and just...
Not only that, you can... You gotta hope it gets on the interstate. Well, I ain't got a seatbelt back here, but I got these seats.